of the challenges facing relief crews in Nepal is a huge shortage of medicines. Hospitals are faced with an unprecedented rush. They've simply run out of life-saving drugs. Manogya Loiwal gets us a ground report.
The number of patients and injured persons arriving in different hospitals is increasing with every passing day. I am in the teaching hospital in Kathmandu in Nepal, where there has been a shortage of supply of medicines. Most of the people who are arriving here need orthopedic treatment and the medicines are now running short. Here you see there are a lot of medicines that have been kept in stock, but the stock is usually for normal treatment. It's been almost 3 to 4 days since the earthquake struck Nepal and damaged the entire country. But most of the people now say, especially the hospital authorities, are now saying that they need more medicines. This also includes a lot of more medicines. Binaji, if you could give us an idea on what are the medicines that you need now?
Latest now needs medicine is analgesics, painkillers, bandage, betadines, and antibiotics, cefazolins, and back supports, lumbar, on spinal injury supports, crepe bandage, antiplast, many types of the medicines.
But it might be sounding that these are something very commonly available, but in Nepal it is of course not available, and they are in need of supply from across the world where more medicines can be sent across. It's not just the team of doctors that have been flown in, but the relief material needs a lot of more medicines, many kind of medicines, especially for orthopedic treatment, because most of the people arriving with severe injuries are either having muscle pain or bone injuries, and that is what needs to be treated at the earliest. Perhaps that's the reason that even Nepal is understanding that it's not just about the basic infrastructure of daily need, but the fact that they are in need of much more supply of medicines at the earliest. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kathmandu, Nepal for Headlines Today.